My name is Dorothy Pruitt. I've lived in Tennessee all my life. Traveled when my husband was alive. We would travel out for ministry and stuff. My daughter April just got on Facebook, and the commercial popped up for, this winning this central heat and air unit, and she says, "Mama," she said, "I'm going to enter you." She said, "All we can do is pray." And so my oldest daughter called me and texted me and said, "Mom, it's important. Contact Mary at this number." And so I called Mary back, and she told me that I was one of the 5 finalists. And I even told Mary to pray that I would win this. What I make, I just can't afford to get anything done around here. And it would mean the world to me if I could win this. I have to have this other burden on me. If whoever it is, I hope that they really need it, and and if they need it more than I do, I pray the Lord would give it to them. One of my light bills was like $350 with the air conditioner unit, but you have to have it.
Hi, Dorothy. Are you excited? Here, hold this. Here, hold this.
I said, "It ain't no way that it's me."
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You really
Is April here?
No.
She's not.
Oh, yeah, I was just telling her that. Oh, look at this. Oh, God.
Well, you did your mama a good thing, didn't you?